longer, straighter lines, effortless operation in less time. The ToughStripe Floor Tape Applicator is built to be different, transforming your floor marking with ease and efficiency. Its stable design ensures straight, professional lines, allowing one person to do the work instead of 2 or 3. Exclusive patent-pending features set this applicator apart. The removable tape cartridge system enables the fastest, easiest, most comfortable loading and unloading available. No more kneeling or crouching over to thread your tape. The tightening disc quickly locks in the roll perfectly, no matter the size. A rubber grip holds the liner tight for smooth collection, and when you're finished, the sturdy carrying handle makes it easy to transport and store. Loading the ToughStripe applicator is simple. Just lift the cartridge out of the base, letting you work on a flat, easy-to-reach surface. Load your tape roll with the leading edge coming from the bottom. If your tape has a liner, slide it under the locking bar, drop the tightening disc into place, and lock the cartridge back into the base. Now you're ready to tack your tape into position and lay down lines quickly and confidently. Straighter lines in less time with the ToughStripe Floor Tape Applicator.